GPS signal disappears more often than most people realize. Tunnels, underground parkings, city centers. Every time satellites disappear, the vehicle's position is lost. But what if you have to continue tracking? With Teltonika, it's possible. My name is Vitalius, I am product owner at Teltonika, and in this video I'll show you how our trackers with dead reckoning can keep up tracking accurately even without a GPS. Here I have two devices featuring dead reckoning, FTC887 and FTC927. Keep in mind that devices with 7 or higher numbers at the end of their name usually include this feature. So how does it work? When the GPS signal is lost, trackers with dead reckoning use accelerometer and gyroscope data to measure speed and rotation in real time. This data allows to keep calculating the vehicle's position, ensuring tracking continues until the GPS signal is restored. Here's an example. On the left, we see a map where the vehicle's track disappears as it enters underground parking. On the right, we see the power of the reckoning. The route remains visible and precise, even without GPS. Now I will show you how to configure a device with dead reckoning feature. But before we continue, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss our new uploads. We will use FTC927 as an example. Please note that configuration process may differ for other devices, so always make sure to visit our Teltonika wiki page. First, open the TCT application. Next to the FTC927, click Configure, then open the System tab. Under Ignition, add DIN1, and under Movement Sources, add DIN1 and remove accelerometer. Then go to Output Input tab, select Universal, turn on dead reckoning status, turn on alignment, straight alignment, and click Save to the device. The dead reckoning feature is now configured automatically, so no changes are required in this section. Let's move on to the device installation. There are two main requirements for device mounting in the car. First, it should be mounted in a way to ensure maximum visibility of the sky. It will have the best GNSS track accuracy. Second, the tracker should be fastened very tightly to the car chassis. This ensures precise measuring of acceleration and orientation. Good examples of where to mount a device include in the vehicle's trunk, inside the engine bay, and above the glove box. Once you have ensured the GNSS antenna is facing upward, check that nothing is blocking the signal. Metal surfaces, heated windows, thick panels, and wiring can all interface with reception. Here are examples of incorrect installations that should be avoided. If the device is not installed correctly, it may fail to align to provide inaccurate position data. For detailed device installation instructions, visit our wiki page or watch our tutorials on our YouTube channel. Now let's talk about the alignment. It is important because the tracker's accelerometer and gyroscope axis must align with the vehicle's axis, so the feature could perform well. While you are driving, the device automatically performs the alignment. It usually takes a few minutes, provided a few conditions are met. Drive at speed between 10 and 100 km per hour in an open sky area, not in the tunnels. Perform a few accelerations and braking maneuvers, and make several left and right turns. You can monitor the alignment progress using 3 parameters: turning alignment, straight alignment, and the most important, dead reckoning status. When alignment is complete, the first 2 parameters will reach a value of 100, and the third parameter will change to 3. After the initial alignment, any future corrective ones will be completed even faster. Please note that if you only drive on highways, the alignment might not occur, so city-style driving is highly recommended. After these steps, you can test and evaluate for yourself all the benefits that the reckoning technology offers. I want to highlight that trackers with dead reckoning will provide track data in tunnels as well as a more precise virtual odometer. It also becomes easier to identify potential fraud events. and continue tracking even if a GPS jammer is used. Thieves often use jammers to disable tracking signals and move vehicles into garages or enclosed areas. With dead reckoning, tracking can continue. While tracking accuracy may decrease over time, the available data can still provide valuable clues to help locate the stolen vehicle. The same thing applies to speed violation reports. Let us take a simple example. Imagine a vehicle entering a tunnel where the speed limit is 60 km per hour. Without dead reckoning, the tracking data may shift to a nearby road with a lower speed limit, resulting in a false speed violation report. With more precise tracking data, you can reduce false reporting in your tracking system and provide more reliable information to your customers, for example, in geofence reports. Here is why this matters. Imagine a parcel terminal located in an underground parking area with a geofence. If a courier vehicle is equipped with our tracker, the fleet manager can be confident that the terminal was actually visited, even when the GNSS signal is unavailable. Finally, it makes tracking more transparent for fleet owner companies, providing a better understanding of where the vehicle actually was. There are many other situations where dead reckoning technology makes a difference. To test it and evaluate the value for your business, please contact our Teltonika sales managers. Thank you for watching. Now you are ready to try the new feature yourself. See you next time.